In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email rules in the new Outlook for Windows. By the end of this guide, you'll have a practical and efficient system to help you manage your inbox with ease. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to begin by logging into your Microsoft Outlook account. This is the foundational step to access all the features Outlook has to offer. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. While doing this, ensure that you input your login details carefully, as a simple mistake might take you back to the beginning. Once you have your details entered, click Next to proceed. Now that you're inside your account, direct your attention to the settings icon, which you'll find in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This is where the magic begins. Click on this icon and look for the Mail option. Clicking here will take you to an entirely new set of features, and from this menu, select Rules. Setting up rules is where you can tailor how incoming emails are managed automatically, saving you tons of time and helping you stay organized. Once you're in the Rules section, you can start creating your first rule by selecting Add Rule. Now think about what you'd like to name your rule. It should be something reflective of its purpose. For our example, we'll use Test Video Recording. Enter this name into the field provided. This step might seem simple, but it's crucial for keeping track of your rules, especially if you plan to create several of them. The next part is adding a condition to your rule. Let's select from the drop-down menu that the subject or body includes a specific word. For this demonstration, enter Test in the text box beside it. This is where you define what emails will trigger this rule. By setting this condition, you're instructing Outlook to filter emails that contain the word test in either their subject line or body. Then, move on to the Add an Action section. Here, you'll specify what you'd like Outlook to do when it identifies an email meeting your condition. Let's go to the drop-down menu and select Move To. You'll want to choose a specific folder where these emails should be directed. Make sure to pick a folder where this type of email belongs, so your organization stays as efficient as possible. Once all these settings are in place, you have one final crucial step remaining. Click the box marked Run Rule Now. This option ensures that your new rule is applied immediately and that any existing emails in your inbox that meet your criteria are moved to the designated folder. Finally, click Save at the bottom of the screen. By saving, you activate your rule, ensuring that whenever an email with test in the subject or message arrives, it goes straight to your designated folder. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an email rule in the new Outlook for Windows. Now your incoming mail will be more organized and streamlined, enhancing your productivity.